Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to compete in conformation with a dog. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to compete in conformation with a dog is www.akc.org. See the page titled American Kennel Club, Frequently Asked Conformation. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.wikihow.com, especially the page How to Train Your Dog for a Dog Show, 6 Steps, with pictures. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.wikihow.com. The web page How to Become a Professional Dog Walker, with pictures. This is the link.